Okay. What the Leet code 1061. Also, I solved the daily one yesterday. I don't think I'll upload that video because I solved it halfway and then I got really bored of it. Or, like, not bored, I just kind of got. Like, I knew what to do, but I just didn't feel like doing it, so I want to play, like, League. So I ended up solving it. Literally, I kept the sliding window and then I just did one, like, back pass to make sure. Oh wait, actually it's here. I did just one back pass to make sure like we catch any like cool stuff. Just expand from the back. So that did okay, I guess. I don't know what the yep, that's a solution. So lexicographically smallest equivalent string. You're given two strings of the same length S1 and S2 and a string base str. We say S1 of I and S2 I are equivalent characters. For example, if S of I is equal to ABC and S of 2 is CDE, A is equal to C, B is equal to D, C is equal to E. Oh, and because of that, A is equal to C because, oh wait, duh. A is equal to B. Wait, what? A is equal to B because B is equal to C. Oh, because this input. Okay, wait, I'm slow. It doesn't. It's not from here. Okay, so this. Okay, this seems like the kind of complicated one. This one seems easy. This one, duh. For example, given the equivalency, da 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 da, are equivalent strings of EED. There's three. What? AAB is the. So from here, we say MAKKEK. So like, ordinarily, I would want to just like pick the min out of these guys, but because this is equal to okay, well that's what happens here. So the but because this is equal to this, which is equal to this, that means this is equal to this, and this is less than this. So we replace all r's with k. Awesome. That's really annoying. So like, what do I even do with that information? Well, in this scenario here, where you can group, oh, oh, wait, does he know? Wait, okay, hold on. Let me read this again. Right. So this is not equivalent with this. Okay, I knew that. Did I know that? So like, I think what we're trying to say is when we group together these characters, so like for each character, put in an equi, equal group, and then pick min out of equal group, which means uh, which means is that graph? Does this make it a graph problem? Because let's say we have the strings Parker and Morris, and then I think it says yeah. So these will always be of equal length. So we will always have like a. Wow, I really wrote this bad. Morris. So there's an edge from P to M, and then there's an edge from A to O. And then there's obviously an edge to R, but there's an edge from R to K, and then from E to I, and then from also R to S. So we say so these are all connected. But we kind of just want to find a common parent, don't we? So it's union find, kurua. Because let's say, oh dude, is there a better, maybe lead code? Okay, that's crazy. Because like, in this case, like I would go through base string. For each character, I would find the like quote unquote parent, which should be the, well, let's just say pair is equal to least lexicographic char. That is terrible. So like for each character, I would do like a find. Dude, I don't know how to implement union find. Okay, so we need an int array parents, and then we can just use int where uh like char a minus a. Do we use a rank here? What the hell would rank be? Well, like I'm only merging. I don't even care about rank because I'm merging. What is it? How do you say? Nice. I only um care about the least lexicographic parent. So I don't really care about merging rank. I think normally rank would be more efficient. So okay. Uh let's say int n is equal to s1 dot length. Parents is equal to new int n. And then for int I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Uh, s1 dot char. Okay, wait. Union s1 dot char at uh char at I s1 dot char at I. Uh, and do you just wanna let's just write the parameter in it. I think that'd be easier down the line. And then like let's just say string builder res is equal to new string builder. And then we could say like for char c in base str. Like, why am I not doing this? Oh wait, because I need to index of both. Yeah, okay. So for char c in base str dot to char array, let's just say like res dot append find uh find c. Right, this will return the da 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 in the union find in the disjoint union set. Ah, that's probably what it's called. Right, so now, actually this part was very short, so we need to do a public void union. Let's say int, let's just say int u, int v, something graph theory. Let's say int p1, oh, pu is equal to find u, and then int pv is equal to find v, and then we could say if pu is less than pv, then We can say parent of PV. Ooh, wait, we need to make each thing a parent to itself too. So, we could say like ah, okay. There's probably a better way to do this, but parents of s1.char at I minus a is equal to that. Oh, but that might repeat itself, right? Okay, wait. For int I equals 0, I is less than n, I equals plus I is equal to I. There's probably a better way of doing that. I don't know. Oh, wait, no. Parents is not of length n, it's of length 26, where each thing is a character. Why did I say n? Why did I say n? Oopsie. Less than 26. So, I knew that. Nah. If PU is less than PV, parent of PV is equal to am I allowed to just Google union find? If I fail this, I probably will. If like the submission doesn't work, I will. Cause I don't know. I should probably remember my textbook algorithm. Parent PV is equal to what? PU. I feel like I'm missing a couple lines even without using rank. Parent PV is equal to PU. Almost like parent PU is equal to PV. Anyways, public int find tu, like, let's just say src. And then if I remember correctly, it's just like a regular standard DFS. So let's just say like int res is equal to parent of src, and while res does not equal parent res, res is equal to parent, wait, no. You could say like parent src is equal, okay, like we're gonna return res stuff, but parent src is equal to parent of parent of res. Is that looks really wrong. Oh. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Wait a minute. I don't know what I did wrong. Index 112. What the flip? What the flip? Oh. No. Please don't be horribly wrong. Okay, so that probably means I did something wrong here. Parent. Maybe that's it. Oh, okay, thank you, compiler. Okay, wait. You can just say like parents src is equal to res, maybe. Oh, duh. Why is it? Oh, okay. Char res plus a, and then let's just cast it into a character. Oh, duh. What are you talking about? Wait, why did this? Oh, because of. Okay, so I would not want to do it there. Uh, I don't know how horribly time efficient. I don't know if casting this many times is bad. From int to char, dude, really? Okay, plus what is ASCII? I mean ASCII value of a. Actually, no, I don't even need to do that. I didn't Google that. I meant to say it. 5, 6, 7, 8. No way. Wait, did I just remember how to do union find for no reason? Hey, I remember how to do union find, Kurwa. I did not expect. Okay, well, I feel like I actually explained my rationale pretty well. We can like explain like each of these like equivalencies, quote unquote, as a like kind of edge in a graph, and then what we're really doing is getting the least common, I mean, not least common, the lexicographically smallest character in the union in the disjoint set. And we'll just make that so this one is the parent. Well, actually, this would be the parent. So each time we just create our disjoint set, and then we go through each character and get the least thing to do that. Ooh, I wonder how. Okay, so they do this. Okay, that's literally what I did. Wait, I'm cheating. I didn't cheat. Oh, that's smart. It's wait, why would I not? Huh. I wonder why this one is fat. Is it because they use find instead of parent parent? Equal to find res. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is like ridiculously faster. Okay. Well, that's really cool. I don't know why. I guess because when you do this, it resets for everything else, I think. That's why. Because then it does this again instead of like just kind of doing it at the end. Okay, that makes sense, I think. Okay. Well, I talked for too long again. I solved it. I should stop yapping. Bye, guys.